Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial video, and in today's tutorial video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can set your credit card on your CashApp account. So it's pretty simple to link your credit card on your CashApp account, but before I teach you how you guys can do that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive right into the videos. So to link your credit card on your CashApp is pretty simple. Basically you want to open your CashApp. Then what you want to do is you want to click on this little building looking icon. Now in my screen it's showing me a building looking icon, but in your screen it might show you some number like the amount of money which is in your Cash App. Depends on it. It's different and different, alright? So right now I have $0, so it's showing me this house, but in your Cash App it might have some amount of money shown over here. So don't get confused, just click on it. Now once you're over here, what I want you guys to know is that before you link your credit card, basically you need to link your debit card. So it might sound complicated because some people might not have like a debit card, so it might be frustrating, but yeah, basically if you guys do not link debit card over here, then you guys can't link your credit card. I don't know why Cash App has done this. They might change it in the future, but right now you need to link your debit card. Now how you guys can link your debit card is once you're over here, you want to click on link bank. Once you click on link bank over here, you can enter your debit card number and then fill up the form and enter your debit card. So I'm going to enter my debit card over here, and after entering your debit card over here, what you want to do is you want to go to this house icon again and click on where it says linked accounts. Now as you guys can see, before this there was no linked account, there was link bank, but right now there's linked account because I have already linked my debit card. So after linking my debit card, I'm going to click on linked account. After I click on linked account, I'm going to click on where it says link credit card. As you guys can see, my debit card is already linked. Now I'm going to click on link credit card. After I click on link credit card, basically what I can do is it's going to take me to a place where I can link my credit card. Now over here it's showing me send using any major credit card at just 3%. Now I'm going to enter my credit card number over here, and after that I'm going to enter my month, year, CVV and set IP code of my credit card, and after entering that I'm going to click on next, and my credit card will be added over here just like this. So yeah, that's basically how this thing works. Hope you guys found our video helpful. If you did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day and peace out.